Hello everyone. Today we are at the airport. Are you ready to travel? Let's practice English together. It is going to be a fun trip. Grab your bags and let's go. Anna, hi everyone. Tom, today we are at the airport. Maria, do you like traveling? John, say, yes I do. Or no, I don't. Good, you are ready. Anna, where do you want to go? Tom, say, I want to go to somewhere. Example, I want to go to London. Maria, now it is your turn. Very good. I want to go there too. John, let's learn important words. Repeat after us. Passport, ticket, plane, airport, bag. Excellent. These are very important words. Anna, now listen to this conversation. Tom, excuse me, where's the check-in desk? Maria, it is over there, behind you. Tom, thank you very much. Maria, you're very welcome. Now you repeat. Say, excuse me, where's the check-in desk? Great. Your pronunciation is getting better. Now say, it is over there. Perfect. Just like a native speaker. John, now answer this. Do you have your passport? Anna, say, yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Good. Don't forget it. Tom, what do you have in your bag? Maria, say, I have things. Example, I have clothes. Your turn. Very good. I have a book in my bag. John, now a small challenge for you. Make a sentence with, I am going to. Example, I am going to travel. Your turn. Excellent. That is a strong sentence. Anna, now quick questions. Tom, are you excited? Maria, are you nervous? John, do you like planes? Great job. You are doing amazing. You are doing amazing. English is easy with practice. Speak every day and don't be afraid. We are so happy you are here learning with us. Keep learning and keep speaking. John, see you in the next episode. Anna, bye. Tom, bye. Maria, bye. John, bye everyone. Take care and have a safe flight. I'm Buddy, and this was Speak English Naturally. Goodbye.